Hi and hello, I am Dr. Esteemed. In this video, I am going to give some of the few informations regarding our upcoming international conference on biomedical virtualization, prosthetics and robotic sciences. Of course, we are all well known about it. We are collaborated with iManager publication. They are having an impact factor more than 8. And at the same time, this is completely a free registration conference. There is no fees for presentation and there is no fees for the paper publication. So this is the great impact that we are creating to all over the world for making the curiosity about the international conference and the outcoming healthcare society. So this is an opportunity for all the biomedical engineers. Not only the final years only participated in the international conference. Don't think that. Even the first year, second year, third year, final year, all those people will receive this certification. How? Because we are just framing that kind of way. Because under this international conference, we are divide the certification, that is certificate provided in the 4 different categories. That is certificate of achievements, that is for the publication, certificate of paper presentation for presenting the paper, certificate of participant, those who are come and participate in the 2 days of conference, we are providing the attendee certificate. And then certificate of only for presentation, not for any publication and all. That is also certificate of presentation. So 4 different categories of the certificates we provided. So you can use this opportunity to come forward to prove yourself in this conference. At the same time, you are in the first year, then or if you are going to join in the first year, try to attend this conference at an attendee. Receive the certificate. Try to know about what actually the conference is. What are all the things they are doing in the conference. All these things you can get a knowledge about. So keep attending International Conference of ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited and get knowledge about the recent technologies and innovations. If you have any kind of the clarifications, you can contact us. Thank you very much.